Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we are going to learn how to use the conjunctions before and after in a sentence in Turkish. We are going to learn how to use them with a noun and with a verb. Before we start the lesson, if you don't know consonant alternation and vowel harmony, please first watch those lessons. Let's start with the conjunction before. When we use before with a noun, we are going to need a suffix, which is dan, tan, or den, ten, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony and again alternates according to consonant alternation. Let's see an example. I washed my hands before breakfast. First of all, as you know, to write a grammatically correct Turkish sentence, we write the person pronoun to the beginning and the verb always to the end. So let's write the person pronoun first. I, ben. Now we are going to write before breakfast. But in Turkish, we change the places and instead of writing before breakfast, we write breakfast before. Let's write breakfast, kahvaltı. And before breakfast, önce. Then we are going to compound these two words with a suffix dan. Kahvaltıdan önce. Before breakfast. It's that simple. Change the places and add the suffix. Let's continue with the sentence. Now we are going to write I washed my hands. Let's write my hands first. Hand is el. Hands with the plural suffix ler. Eller. My hands. Ellerim. All right. At this point, we say that we washed our hands. But be careful, these hands are not regular hands. They are not any hands. They are specific hands. We are talking about a particular object here. So we need to add accusative suffix here, ellerimi. Because I washed these hands, my hands, not any hands. I need an accusative suffix here. Ellerimi, wash, yıka, washed, yıkadı, I washed, yıkadım. I washed my hands before breakfast. Ben kahvaltıdan önce ellerimi yıkadım. Let's make another one. You will go to school before 5. Let's write the person pronoun you, sen. Now we are going to write before 5, but we need to change the places. So 5, 5, before, önce. I need to compound them. I need the suffix here, ten. 5'ten önce. It is not then, it is ten because of consonant alternation. So, 5'ten önce, before 5. You will go to school. First, I need to write to school. School is okul. To school, the dative suffix a, okula. To school. Go, git. It's normally git, but the time suffix will, future tense, ecek. This vowel e makes the t alternate itself to d. Again, consonant alternation. Gidecek, you will go, gideceksin. So the sentence is, sen 5'ten önce okula gideceksin. You will go to school before 5. Sen 5'ten önce okula gideceksin. Alright. Let's make one more. They will return home before afternoon. Let's write the person pronoun first. They, onlar. Before afternoon, change the places. Afternoon, öğle. Before, önce. I need a suffix between them. Öğleden önce. Before afternoon. Öğleden önce. Return home. I need to write home, ev. In Turkish, we don't say return home. We say return to home. So I need a dative suffix here. Eve, to home. Return, dön. Will return, dönecek. They will return, dönecekler. So they will return home before afternoon is onlar öğleden önce eve dönecekler. Okay, now let's continue and see how we are going to use before with a verb. As you see, this time suffix is not dan, den, tan, ten. It is madan or meden, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony. Let's write an example. I washed my hands before I have my breakfast. Before I have. See, before is with a verb now. Let's write the person pronoun first. I, ben. Now we are going to change the places. Before and I have my breakfast. We need to change their places. Let's write have my breakfast first. My breakfast. Breakfast is kahvaltı. My breakfast, kahvaltım. But it's not a regular any breakfast. It's a specific breakfast. Particular. I am doing this breakfast. So I need to add the accusative suffix kahvaltımı. Have, yap. All right. Now I wrote have my breakfast. Kahvaltımı yap. It's time to write before. Önce. And I need to compound them with a suffix yapmadan önce. Before I have my breakfast, kahvaltımı yapmadan önce. I change the places of them and add the suffix between them. Let's continue. Washed my hands. My hands. Hand is el. And the plural suffix eller, hands. My hands, ellerim. Again, it is not any hands. It is not regular hands. These are my hands. These particular hands I washed. So I need to add accusative suffix. Ellerimi wash, yıka, washed, yıkadı. I washed, yıkadım. I washed my hands before I have my breakfast. Ben kahvaltımı yapmadan önce ellerimi yıkadım. Let's make one more example. Be careful. I brushed my teeth before I sleep. Let's write the person pronoun I first, ben. Now I need to write before I sleep, but I'm going to change their places. First I will write sleep, uyu. Then I'm going to write before, önce, and I'm going to compound them with the suffix madan, uyumadan önce. Before I sleep, uyumadan önce. What did I do before I sleep? Brushed my teeth. That's right, my teeth. Tooth is dish, teeth is dişler, and my teeth is dişlerim. Again, these are specific teeth, not any teeth, my teeth. So I need to add the accusative suffix here, dişlerimi. Brush, fırçala, brushed, fırçaladı. And I brushed, fırçaladım. Ben uyumadan önce dişlerimi fırçaladım. I brushed my teeth before I sleep. Ben uyumadan önce dişlerimi fırçaladım. Let's make one more example. You will sleep before you go out. Let's write the person pronoun first, you, sen. Now we are going to change the places of go out and before. Let's write go out first. Out, dışarı, go, git. Now let's write before, önce, and now we are going to combine them with a suffix meden. Dışarı gitmeden önce. Before you go out. And you will sleep. Sleep is uyu, will, acak. We need a buffer letter between these two vowels. Uyuyacak. You will sleep, uyuyacaksın. Now let's take a look at after. First, let's see how we are going to use it with a noun. Let's write an example. I washed my hands after breakfast. Let's write person pronoun I first, ben. Now, I need to change the places of after and breakfast. So first I'm going to write breakfast, kahvaltı. Now I'm going to write after, sonra. I need to combine them with the suffix kahvaltıdan sonra, after breakfast. What did I do? Washed my hands. My hands, hand is el, hands, eller. My hands, ellerim. Don't forget the accusative suffix because I'm talking about particular object, specific object. My hands, ellerimi, wash, yıka, washed, yıkadı. I washed, yıkadım. I washed my hands after breakfast. Ben kahvaltıdan sonra ellerimi yıkadım. Let's make another example. You will go to school after 9. So let's write the person pronoun first, you, sen. Now we are going to change the places of after and 9. Let's write 9 first. 9. After, sonra. Let's combine them. 9'dan sonra. What did I do? Go to school. School, okul. To school, dative suffix, okula. Go, git. Will go, ecek. This e vowel makes t alternate itself to d. Consonant alternation. Gidecek. You will go, gideceksin. You will go to school after 9. Sen 9'dan sonra okula gideceksin. Let's make one last example. They will return home after work. Let's write the person pronoun first. They. After work, we are going to change the places of after and work. Let's write work first. İş. After, sonra. Let's combine them with the suffix işten sonra. Ten, te, because of consonant alternation. Let's continue. Will return. Home. Home is ev. But in Turkish, we don't say return home. We say return to home. So I need a dative suffix here. To home, eve. Return, dön. Will return, dönecek. They will return, dönecekler. They will return home after work. Onlar işten sonra eve dönecekler. All right, now let's take a look at how we are going to use after with a verb. This time, as you see, there are 4 variations. These are alternating according to 4-way vowel harmony. And also you can see the consonant alternation, de and te alternations. Let's see an example. I washed my hands after I wake up. All right. There is after and there is wake up. I need to change their places. First, let's write the person pronoun ben. Wake up, uyan. After, sonra. Now let's combine them. Dıktan. Uyandıktan sonra, after I wake up, what did I do? I washed my hands. Hand, el. Hands, eller. My hands, ellerim. But these are particular hands, specific. They are not any hands. So I need the accusative suffix ellerimi. What did I do? Washed. Yıka, washed, yıkadı. I washed, yıkadım. I washed my hands after I wake up. Ben uyandıktan sonra ellerimi yıkadım. Let's make one more. I slept after I watched television. All right, watch television and after. Let's write the person pronoun first. I. Now let's change the places and write watch television first. Television, televizyon. Watch, izle. After, sonra. Let's combine them. İzledikten sonra. What did I do? Slept. Sleep, uyu. Slept, uyudu. I slept, uyudum. I slept after I watched television. Ben televizyon izledikten sonra uyudum. Let's write one last example. She will rest after she cleans the house. So I can see after and cleans the house. Let's write the person pronoun she first. O. Cleans the house. House, ev. The house, particular house. Evi. Clean, temizle. After, sonra. I need to combine them with the suffix temizledikten sonra. What will she do? Rest. Dinlen. Will rest. Dinlenecek. Is there any person pronoun suffix? None. So the sentence is, she will rest after she cleans the house. O evi temizledikten sonra dinlenecek. Alright friends, if you have any questions about this lesson, please write them in the comment section. Hope to see you in our following lessons. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.